How to find coordinates on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's open up the map application over here, and over there what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the search bar over here, or you can just directly tap on any of the location over here. So over here I'm gonna just search for any of the location. So for example, if I'm gonna tap on this location over here, so I'm just gonna tap on the location, and as I tap on the location, you'll be able to see the coordinates of the location. So here you can see the coordinates over here. So just tap on the address and then we're gonna go somewhere else and then tap on the search option. Paste the link that we had just copied and then search. And there you go, we have reached to the same location on the Google Maps. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.